Attio CRM is a flexible relationship management tool designed for organizing contacts, tracking interactions, and enhancing team collaboration. Here's a beginner's guide to using Attio CRM effectively. Set up your Attio account. Begin by creating an account on the Attio website and logging in. Set up your workspace by inviting team members and connecting relevant accounts like email and calendar. Import contacts. Attio automatically imports contacts from connected email accounts. You can also manually add contacts or import them from a spreadsheet. Attio organizes contacts into people and companies tabs, making it easy to navigate. Create collections. Collections help you organize contacts into specific groups, such as by project, client type, or priority level. Use collections to keep your CRM tailored to your workflows. Track interactions. Attio syncs communication history, allowing you to view recent emails, meeting notes, and interactions with contacts directly within the platform. This history provides context for each relationship. Collaborate with team members. Share collections and contacts with teammates to work collaboratively. Team members can add notes and tag others, keeping everyone updated on interactions and progress. Analyze data. Attio offers insights on engagement levels, recent interactions, and relationship history, helping you maintain high-priority contacts.